What's up everyone, today we have Acer Travlemate 214 laptop. This video for this Travlemate. Today I will open this laptop and talk about this best thing and what is the worst thing about this laptop. If you want to buy this laptop, definitely you need to watch this full video. Here is one charging port and Ethernet port, one BGA and one HDMI port, two USB 3 port and one Thunderbolt port and one memory card slot and one 3.5mm audio jack. Right side is the one USB 3 port and rear side cooling system. And this keyboard is inbuilt keyboard, and this key difference is very standard quality and you can type it very easily and smoothly. This is a plastic made body and lasting body. This touchpad is very clean and flat touchpad. Let's see some information about this laptop. You can see here is all this thing and system information and display information, Intel Ultra UHD graphics and no external graphics cards. And let's open the laptop and talk about this laptop circuit. Okay. This one is laptop battery. This laptop battery is very massive and very plus point for this laptop. You can see how long this battery, and you will get long backup. Okay, now let's see what is the rating. This rating is 15.4 volt and 3550 milliampere, 54 watt laptop battery, and this one is SSD type. And when we purchase this laptop, we receive with this verbatim SSD type B1550, but we update our SSD type with Teutons. This verbatim hard drive performance was very poor and we got some error from this SSD drive. That's why we update this Teuton SSD drive made in Spain. When you purchase this laptop with this verbatim, definitely you update your laptop with this Teutons or extra your knowledge good SSD type. Okay, this is a cooling fan, laptop cooling fan. This one is CPU cooling, and this one is a CPU central processing unit. And here is a Wi-Fi dongle. This device connected your laptop with your Wi-Fi router. Two RAM slot. I am use one with 8GB DDR4 RAM. If you want to extend your RAM, definitely you do use another slot. And here is a NVMe SSD drive slot. If you want to extend your storage capacity, and definitely you can use this port. Okay, this is also very fast and very good quality. And now check this battery capacity. You can see how long this battery, and we need to check up this battery how it will be backup time. And you can see here is a 73% laptop battery backup, and it will give you 6 hours 46 minute remaining time. Okay, this is very long time. If you want to travel with this laptop, definitely you do, because you will get a long backup. Final suggestion: if you get this laptop with this verbatim, definitely you update your hard drive from verbatim to which your knowledge about this SSD type.